Hello and welcome to another episode of The Micro Marketer. I am Praveen Shekhar, your host, an outlier marketer and a raconteur. Today, we have Kiruba Shankar with us, the president of the Professional Speakers Association of India, a book coach, an entrepreneur, and a whole lot more. Kiruba, welcome to The Micro Marketer.
Oh, absolutely. My pleasure, Praveen.
Lovely. So, Kiruba, go ahead and narrate your episode on micro marketing.
I'm a huge fan of micro marketing because as an entrepreneur, one of the things that I've begun to realize that to build business, it is very important to build on relationship. Because having a strong relationship not only leads to a longer gestation period of that particular business, but also it's very strong when it comes to referrals and getting new business. So one of the strategies that I started to follow is I've started to find that there are some CEOs who want to be seen as thought leaders. Typically, these are CEOs who are very active in the conference circuit. They would go on, they are eager and ready to go and speak in large conferences and address large sets of people. They're very eager to go on podcast interviews. The reason is because they know that when they project themselves as a thought leader, then they also not only build their own brand, but they also build the brand of the company, which is a great strategy. From experience, what I've seen is that authoring a book lends to a lot of credibility. It also shows that you have taken the effort to dig deep into a particular subject and you've done that. However, I find that authoring a book, many CEOs find it a lot more difficult. They don't know the ins and outs. So one of the micro marketing strategy that I've started to follow is I started to realize that many of these CEOs are very eager to be seen as authors, and I'm helping them out with an authoring strategy, handholding them, and getting their book dream become a reality.
Amazing, Kiruba. Lots of learning here, which is a small curated set that you are going to assist. CEOs who are extroverted, who are already on stages and podcasts, and you are addressing their explicit need in converting whatever they are talking about into a book, therefore increasing their reach. And you are here in it to build relationship, to seed them and increase your referral marketing team, because you speak on digital selling and you are assisting them and you are building your word of mouth referral, or what I call the superfan army. Absolutely great learning. Thank you very much for this, Kiruba.
Oh, absolutely. My pleasure, Praveen.